have any LLC setup questions or business banking, whatever, we're going to assume that you have that set up and you're ready to start taxes. We're ready to start looking into that, getting that all ready. If not, put it in the chat. There will be a chance throughout this call to have the floor so that you can ask whatever questions you need. But for now, let's just put it all in the chat so we can keep things moving because we have quite a bit to go over, I think. Right, Carol?
Yes, we
Okay.
do.
Okay.
And so that's pretty much like for the LLC. So just like Arbel said, we assume that you guys all have the LLC. And if you guys decided not to have an LLC, having that separate bank account is still going to be the best way to ensure that you know what type of expenses you actually had. And so Arbel had put a tax checklist in your announcements. So I hope everybody was able to grab that. And that is your resource for right now. I kind of wanted to make sure that we go over that checklist because it gives you a good idea on what you really need to keep in mind with your LLC and with your business.